I want to go your take. So, they say when you're talking about finding balance, spirituality plays a very important role when you talk about finding balance in your life, and your career and your relationship choices. If you could delve a little bit on what are your insights when it comes to that, finding balance, spirituality.
See, spirituality for me is very, very different than mostly what people think. I I believe in God, but I don't believe that God has one form.
Yeah,
God, I think God is not Hindu, God is not Muslim, God is not Christian. There's just one supreme power which connects all the human beings, all the beings in this planet to that magical power. And it does not have a name. We have a
yeah,
community which have given them a name,
correct.
but basically it doesn't have a name. You cannot say that God is mine, this God. There's only one higher power. I find a lot of peace in churches. I
Correct,
find a lot of peace in lot of temples, and I
correct,
find the most peace in Golden Temple. I go there once every year, and it's a tradition since 6 years I'm following. I go there and just sit and just listen to the ardas and look at the lake and just be with myself, and that is the most beautiful time of my life. And I go there alone. So I think God is the nucleus of energy, and where you connect to, that is God for me, and that is spirituality. And I don't believe in
form.
one one form. And there's a saying that if God is everywhere, why do we need to go to temples, churches, gurdwaras? Why? So there's an answer for that which I have developed, that air is everywhere, but we still need a fan to feel it.
Yeah,
So those religious places are like nucleus of energy
correct.
that gives so much of energy. Like there's some idol. Why we believe in idol worship, the Hindus? Because if there is an idol and we go there, then hundreds of people, lakhs of people, crores of people give energy to that idol. And
Correct.
when a person goes, he gets the energy of 1 crore people from that idol. So I
Correct.
believe it's God is just connecting to the higher power. That's it.
Beautiful. And there's a lot of sound there. I really agree with you
Correct.
on that, because the energy of sound, because there are constant sound vibrations in terms of prayers, and that
Absolutely.
sound, creates an entire experience for those who are attending. In fact,
Exactly.
yeah, I don't know if you've heard of Dr. Emoto's scientific experiment, right, with water. That water, the molecules of water, when kept in any spiritual place, temple, church, etc., when it kept there, the crystals of the molecules of water created a very divine crystal formation. And
Oh,
those which were exposed to negative, I don't believe in the word negative and positive, let's say disempowering conversations, hard music, actually created angry molecular structures. Check it out, it's on YouTube.
lovely. I
It's
didn't
a
know that.
study by Dr. Emoto's study of how sound vibrations can shift the molecular structure of water. And
Lovely.
our bodies are 70% water. And
Oh, what a
that is
beautiful
the
analogy. What a
yeah,
beautiful
and
analogy.
that actually, and there are certain experiments, Siddharth, with rice. And
With
he
rice.
kept rice with rice, huh? So cooked rice. He kept cooked rice in a closed, airtight container in 2 different rooms. To one rice every day, he would go and give loving conversations to the rice. You're so lovely. I love you. Da 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 da. And the other rice in the other room were hateful conversations. And after a week, the one in the which had got the uh, empowering conversations, the rice was still just a little bit moldy, while the other
Wow.
one had actually got fungus on it. Check out that
That's
study, and I'm
such
just
a
sharing.
beautiful analogy. I would like to add on to what you just said
Yeah,
about the music, the songs in in these temples. All the religions, I believe, all the religions are based on science.
yeah,
You go to Gurdwara, there is Ardas. You go to temples, there is Prarthana, Aarti. Then you go to Masjid, then you have Azan.
correct.
So all these, and church we have the hymns and the songs. So
Correct.
every religion has the same science. The Hindus have Gita, the Muslims have Quran. So every religion has the same thing, have the same books which is saying almost the same thing, have the same effect the sound is doing. So everything is based on science.
Correct.
And coming to your second point, which you wonderfully said about the rice experiment, I would like to
Correct.
add on. I read a story in Mahabharat long back that Krishna was the सारथी of Arjuna, और कर्ण के सारथी कोई थे, मुझे उनका नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है. But Karna was a better warrior in every sense than Arjuna. But why did he lose? Because कृष्ण जी अर्जुन को हमेशा बोलते थे कि तुम अच्छा करोगे, तुम जीतोगे, तुम ही अच्छे हो, तुम ही सर्वश्रेष्ठ हो, तुमसे अच्छा कोई है ही नहीं. और जो कर्ण के सारथी थे वो उसको कहते थे कि तुम नहीं जीत सकते, तुम जीत ही नहीं सकते, अर्जुन तुमसे श्रेष्ठ है, अर्जुन ज्यादा अच्छा. But in reality Karna was way far more superior than Arjuna. So that perfectly explains the rice point. Yeah.